And we're here. And what's your name?
Rob K.
Rob K. And you're selling your comics?
I am.
And your comic's name is?
Well, the comic company is Decayed Minds Comics, and we have 3 different titles.
3?
Yes.
Very cool.
We cover a lot of different subjects too. Yes.
Okay.
We have a superhero story called True Power right here that Chad Kovac, our head writer and founder of the company, and Brian Schaub do together.
Very cool. I'll hold that way.
Please do.
Next.
Then the other one we have is American Bloodlust, which is a cannibal biker series about a group of cannibalistic bikers that are trying to take over the U.S. Why not? And we also have Ramen, which is our comedy series, which is about 2 guys living in Ann Arbor that just get into all kinds of crazy misadventures and chaos ensues.
Is there illegal substances that are intended?
For the first time ever, yes there is, because in the newest book, issue 4, they accidentally take someone's dementia medication thinking it's aspirin. And then they end up, well, you'll have to read the book.
Haven't we all done that on occasion? Last weekend, I can't even tell you about last weekend. But okay, so are you an artist?
Yes, I draw and write ramen on my own, and I also do the penciling, inking, and a little tiny bit of writing for American Bloodlust. I'm mostly just kind of a ghostwriter for this one. But yeah, I'm a co-creator of that too.
So when you're struggling, I know ramen soup is popular. Is that anything?
Well, that's what I lived off of, like when I first started writing this back in 2003. So I figured I owe it to you, Ron.
Exactly.
Gotta give you a cameo. Hell, I'll even make you the title. This was really great. Fanfare actually approached us and had us do an exclusive cover reprint for our first issue of American Bloodlust. And what's really cool is that
outside in the valet parking area, Kit from Knight Rider, the General Lee from Dukes of Hazzard, the Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters, Kirby from the Love Dog, the band from the A-Team, and the Monkey Mobile from the Monkey Show Monkeys. All out there. And then, by the way, if you have your coat off and you want to roll up your sleeves, donate some blood. Go to the Blood for Comics. Donate some blood. Get yourself a huge stack of reading material.
It's a huge stack of reading material. In case you haven't heard.
It's not too much fun, moves too much when you're reading the comics. It's a good thing.
Shut the hell up. Hey, that worked.
It did. He stopped it.
Come on, start over.
So anyway, this is our Detroit Fanfare exclusive cover for American Bloodlust issue 1. And once these are gone, they are all gone. We're doing these at $10 a pop for these books, but because of the convention and everything, we're going to do them for $8, so it's a little more feasible for you. All the rest of our books are $4.
Very nice. So hurry in and get your copies before they're gone, you dummies. I mean, folks. So very cool. And so how many artists altogether and writers?
There are three artists, and all of us write. We all kind of help each other out when we need it to get the projects done.
And do you have a website?
Yes, we do. The website is www.decayedmindscomics.com, and we're also on Facebook, and that's like pretty much our blog. We put videos up. Any of our Kickstarter stuff we're getting ready is going to be up on there. So if you guys watch, please check it out.
Very cool. One more time with the website?
www.decayedmindscomics.com.